Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the preceding lesson, we learnt the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions such as nitration, sulfonation and halogenation reactions. If you did not watch it, hit the I button on top right of this video to watch it. In this lesson, we shall try to understand the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and its limitations. In the previous lesson, we have studied that a variety of electrophiles such as chlorides, bromides, sulfonic acid and nitrate react with benzene in an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In this lesson, we will explore electrophiles in which the electrophilic center is a carbon atom, which means the reactions could be carried out with benzene in the presence of a carbon-based electrophile known as carbocation. Carbocations are the most important electrophiles capable of substituting onto aromatic rings because this substitution forms a new carbon-carbon bond. These reactions have a profound interest in synthetic chemistry, involves the construction of carbon-carbon bonds. So far, we have made no progress at all in finding ways to make bonds from benzene to carbon. There are two such transformations include number 1 Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and number 2 Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This lesson introduces the first reaction in which the alkyl group is introduced onto the benzene ring called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In 1877, Friedel and Crafts discovered that a haloalkane reacts with benzene in the presence of an aluminum halide. The resulting products are the alkyl benzene and hydrogen halide. This reaction is called the Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene. In the reaction given, X is either chloride, bromide or iodide and the catalyst Lewis acid may be aluminum chloride or ferric bromide. Typical Lewis acids are boron trifluoride, antimony tetrachloride and aluminum bromide. The reactivity of the haloalkane increases with the polarity of the carbon-halogen bond in the order alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride and alkyl fluoride. Let's see few examples to understand the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. The first example is that when benzene reacts with ethyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride at 25 degrees centigrade yields ethyl benzene and hydrogen chloride. In the second example, benzene reacts with tertiary butyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride forms tertiary butyl benzene of about 90% and hydrogen chloride. This reaction represents a classical example of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. As we are aware that an alkylation designates the transfer of an alkyl group. Therefore, in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, an alkyl group gets transferred to an aromatic ring in a critical presence of an acid catalyst. However, one may critically observe that the alkyl moiety hails from an alkyl halide, whereas the catalyst being the Lewis acid aluminum trichloride. Aluminum trichloride converts secondary and tertiary alkyl halides to carbocations, which when alkylate the aromatic ring. Reaction mechanism. The mechanism essentially involves three steps. The first step is the generation of electrophile. The electrophile in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is formed by the complexation of the Lewis acid aluminum chloride with an alkyl halide, that is tertiary butyl chloride, in this reaction. The complex of Lewis acid Lewis base complex then forms the tertiary butyl cation, which is a carbocation, and tetrachloroaluminate anion. In this reaction, only alkyl halides such as alkyl chlorides, alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides can be used. Aromatic halides and vinylic halides don't react because aryl and vinylic carbocations are too high in energy to form, which means that they are too unstable under Friedel-Crafts conditions. The second step is electrophilic attack, which forms a sigma complex. Reaction of carbocation, that is Lewis acid base complex, which is a strong electrophile, with the pi electrons of the benzene, which is a weak electrophile, gives a resonance stabilized cation intermediate known as cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate. And in the third step, the cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate loses a proton, generates the aromatic ring, and gives the alkylated product, which means loss of proton from the cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate regenerates the aromatic character of the ring in the structure of tertiary butyl benzene and the Lewis acid catalyst, that is aluminum chloride. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions are used with a wide variety of primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. If the alkyl halide is secondary or tertiary, this cyclohexadienyl cation intermediate complex can further react to form carbocation intermediates. See the reaction. Either the alkyl halide Lewis acid complex or the carbocation derived from it can serve as the electrophile in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Secondary alkyl halides react by a similar mechanism involving a secondary carbocation. Methyl and ethyl halides do not form carbocations when treated with aluminum chloride, but they alkylate benzene under Friedel-Crafts conditions. The aluminum chloride complexes of methyl and ethyl halides contain highly polarized carbon halogen bonds, and these complexes are the electrophilic species that react with benzene. One drawback to Friedel-Crafts alkylation is that rearrangements can occur, especially when primary alkyl halides are used. For example, Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with isobutyl chloride, which is a primary alkyl halide, yields only tertiary butyl benzene. Here, the electrophile is a tertiary butyl cation formed by a halide migration that accompanies ionization of the carbon-chlorine bond. Although the Friedel-Crafts alkylation looks good in principle, it has certain limitations that severely restrict its use. Limitation number 1. Friedel-Crafts reactions work only with benzene, activated benzene derivatives, and halobenzenes. They fail with strongly deactivated systems such as nitrobenzene, benzene sulfonic acid, and phenyl ketones. For example, aryl halides and vinylic halides don't react because aryl and vinylic carbocations are too high in energy to form under Friedel-Crafts conditions. Thus, when choosing an alkyl halide, the carbon atom connected to the halogen must be sp3 hybridized. The second limitation is that Friedel-Crafts reactions don't succeed on aromatic rings that are substituted either by a strongly electron withdrawing group such as carbonyl or by a basic amino group that can be protonated. In the next lessons, we will see that the presence of a substituent group already on a benzene ring can have a dramatic effect on that ring's reactivity toward further electrophilic substitution. Rings that contain any of the substituents listed in the figure do not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The third limitation is that it is often difficult to stop the reaction after a single substitution. Once the first alkyl group is on the ring, a second substitution reaction is facilitated for reasons we will discuss in the next lesson. Thus, we often observe polyalkylation. For example, reaction of benzene with 1 mole equivalent of 2-chloro-2-methyl-propane yields para-di-tertiary butyl benzene as the major product along with small amounts of tertiary butyl benzene and unreacted benzene. A high yield of monoalkylation product is obtained only when a large excess of benzene is used. A fourth and final limitation is that a skeletal rearrangement of the alkyl carbocation electrophile sometimes occurs during this reaction, particularly when a primary alkyl halide is used. Treatment of benzene with 1-chlorobutane at 0 degrees centigrade gives an approximately 2:1 ratio of rearranged secondary butyl to unrearranged butyl products. The carbocation rearrangements that accompany Friedel-Crafts reactions are like those that accompany electrophilic additions to alkenes and occur either by hydride shift or by alkyl shift. For example, the relatively unstable primary butyl carbocation produced by reaction of 1-chlorobutane with aluminum chloride rearranges to the most stable secondary butyl carbocation by the shift of a hydrogen atom and its electron pair, that is a hydride ion, from C2 to C1. Similarly, alkylation of benzene with 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl-propane yields 1,1-dimethyl-propyl-benzene. The initially formed primary carbocation rearranges to a tertiary carbocation by shift of a methyl group and its electron pair from C2 to C1. This is the list of a few references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction of benzene and its limitations. In the next lesson, we will learn the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.